How to log into your Blackmagic design account. First of all, open any web browser and go to the official Blackmagic design website by typing www.blackmagicdesign.com in the address bar. Once you are in the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on login with the cloud icon. After that, you will be taken to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address and password correctly in the given fields. Now, click the login button just below your email address. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your Blackmagic design account successfully. If you have forgotten your password, there's a forgot password link near to password. Click on it and provide your email ID. After that, follow the instructions and reset your password using your email. Also, if you don't have an account yet, you can click create account on the same page. Just fill in your details like name, email, country, and password, then agree to the terms and hit the sign up button. After that, check your email to confirm your registration. And that's it. Now you know how to account login in Blackmagic Design. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.